China is to establish a meteorological monitoring station at an altitude of 8,800 meters on Mount Chomolungma, the world's highest peak, on the China-Nepal border. Researchers say the equipment weighing some 50 kilograms will be distributed to mountaineers. Each of them will carry no more than 7 kilograms up onto the mountain for the task. If the station is established successfully, it will become the world's highest of its kind.
这个梯度建好之后，讲是就是世界上最高的一个就是气象观测点。南坡是当时建的是8430米。对，我们北坡南坡北坡差别很大的，所以我们北坡还是很有必要加这个气象观测的。对于我们来说，对于我们科研就是来说的话，我们可以获得这种就是有效的数据，研究青藏高原的这种生态环境变化。我们通过这种气象资料，比如风向、风速，还有相对湿度的变化，我们可以在判断它的季风什么时候来临，这样为以后就是季风爆发呀这种进行预测。
Currently, engineers in charge of establishing the station are still waiting for the perfect weather for mountaineering.